Hello, Keith McKenzie, your automotive specialist, checking in at Jenkins Subaru Hyundai in Bridgeport, West Virginia. And today I have on Vehicle Showcase the 2020 Hyundai Veloster. Now this particular trim level is a 2.0 gasoline direct injected engine that pushes 147 horsepower at 132 pound-feet of torque. That's a dual overhead cam 4-cylinder. This is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission with Sport Coupe shift, torque vectoring control that will allow you to go around corners quicker, LED daytime running lights, projector headlights, center exhaust outlet, and with body color power heated mirrors with blind spot mirror. With a lower loading lip and tons of cargo room, plus multiple seating configurations. In the cockpit, you'll notice blue highlighted accents, standard Bluetooth phone system, 7-inch color touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, with a backup camera and dynamic grid designs. And with an elongated driver's side door, it gives me ease of access in and out.